Many diesel engines suffer from seizure of the glow plug within the cylinder head. This is partially due to carbon entering the glow plug bore. Laser's new glow plug Aperture Cleaner quickly reams out unwanted carbon. Check glow plug thread size. Place guide bush over reamer spindle. Check guide bush against new glow plug and then lock the depth stop in position. Screw the guide bush into the cylinder head. Coat reamer flutes with grease to catch the carbon. Insert the reamer spindle into guide bush and then turn clockwise to remove the carbon. Now the new glow plug can be fitted to the clean aperture. Job done!